Hello, my people. I bring this news now. Sad news. Now, really sad news. Now really sad news. I don't know what to talk, but I bring and come out for me and you to chook mouth, and for me and you to learn something. Wait till you they teach your children. Wait till you they let your children know. That make me want to chook my mouth inside this matter. And the video, it break my heart. If you need that and you get my contact, just chat me. I will send that for you. I'll forward that for you. But it really break heart. I don't need to put the video for here, but I'll they put the picture for here. Our daughter, our sister, whether for UK, now this thing for happen. She go school, yes, his schoolmate, they gag up, they beat this girl like say tomorrow not dey. People dey there, grown-up people dey there. If they say the girl want beat, he want beat the girl, the other white girl. Yes, we are black color, not racist here, but we are black lady and the other people they are white. They go turn this girl. I go they display the picture. When the girl go, black girl go turn the white girl, then they go rush come, they go turn the black girl so that the white girl go they beat am. All of the one I go see say I screenshot, all of them beat this girl. Now so that they draw the girl hair. Now so that they draw the girl hair. I told you now say it can happen in anywhere. Yes, it can happen in anywhere. You understand? I know they see many of our people, they say, oh, white, it can be black. They can gang up. Any area where they always find ourselves, there is bad people, there is good people. Other might say, me, I be black person. Yes, I be black person. Other black people, when they will gang up, beat one black girl, beat one black person. It can happen. But wait for me, wait I really pick for here. Nowhere racist not dey. Racist dey my own continent, Africa. You can see Nigeria person go say this one na Cameroon, this one na Ghana, this one Ghana go say this one na Nigeria, this one na Cameroon. We black, we racist ourselves. We even fight ourselves. War when they say it happen for between, not be all those one me they talk. Everywhere. No place when they say bad people or good people. Wait, it not good, it not good. Like this set of children, for that school, all children no fit be like this racist too. I watch my true mommy when she say racist is there everywhere. Like this kind of children, that they fit grow up tomorrow. They'll come they work for one office. They go see you as black. They don't answer you. For inside that the same country, you will jump Pexi when you go better past your own black people. For this France where they live, I pray to even meet white person for office than to meet my own color, black. I dey tell you now, not come for me. What did these children do? If they heart broke, it break everybody heart. It break me heart. I can imagine my own children and my own daughter that they beat. God, I beg. No, it can never happen. And nothing will say it cannot. You understand? Then we need to come out to they lecture your children. Let your children know where you are not welcome. Move out of that place. Pull yourself out of that place. If you see environment, it can be school, it can be your class. They do something for class, they see this set of group, quickly say it to me. Then as true mommy talk, he say, then go and meet the teacher. The teacher can be the racist one. Then take action. You see, then take action. Like this set of children now, when beat only this black girl now, without be told, say what that small girl when read things I want just day when you now go they say they draw the girl hair. How old is that girl? Having that kind of mind, raising hand, beating human like you. That small girl, the rest they out there, but don't see that small girl at her tender age, she can do that kind. I beg, my main purpose doing this video. No place when bad no dey. In my own country, where they say these people they gang up, this one get their own cycle. This one get their own circle of human being. They go, they fight each other. Wetin be that? If they jam one person, they no still beat am like this. They'll still beat am like this. Okay, wait till we get to talk. My child, my daughter, I don't fair repeat am just now. Anywhere you find yourself and you are not welcome, please put yourself out. And if you try to make friend with anybody, and those people, they are not welcoming you, put yourself out. Know where you are welcome. Know where you are not welcome. It can be any place at all. And if you see a group of people, they want to fight you, then not give them your body to fight. Then pull out. Run. Because this our black girl, when they beat now, what you na feel say they go do? No, na drop her in the comment section. Which action you feel say they go say they be teenager? Except their mother did. If they want to really talk the truth, they'll say make their mother go face the law. But wetin they go talk, they go say they be teenage, they be small children. They no take action. But me, I don't want to talk about racism. No place where racist not dey. E dey my own country. Bear me for coin day. Between my own country, state by state, that the racist themselves talk of my I can't be black. I dey mix of white people. When some go good, when some go bad. You know, all minds are different. All figures are not equal. May we try lecture our children. Anywhere you see you are not welcome, or if you see a set of group, that is why I not really like a big city. I don't like big city. If you are in Africa or you are anybody, I can still use this my video to talk to you. Please, if you be parent when they give birth or when they train small children, go train them for. And we they call am village, not be village. It just be like Edo State. You know, leave Abuja. You come out for Abuja, go they leave Edo State. You they see, and this kind of countryside, not be saying a village. No, not still be village. But if you see children when come out from countryside, children when come out from maybe Paris, and pikin when come out from our side, they not be different. The difference they dey. Yes, there is big difference. Children they come out from our side, maybe all those other states, they calm. You go see that humble, you see that calmness for their face. Yes, I can testify. You go see if I travel go Paris, as I they see them, no. Not be say not see they this my city, but it not just rapper, not just common. Now wait till I get to talk. As now they watched all those display picture, my people, I not feel show the video. I don't even know whether they'll still video. I beg, let us learn. No be to shout, hey, what did these white people do? White people do and black people still do. Now what do me just get? Just advise your children where you are not welcoming. Pull yourself out. If you try to greet somebody, one, two, he not answer you. The next time, pack sir. That is my own. And if your children come back from school, know your children friends. Know wetin happen. Now this one I get to talk, my people. You can leave your own opinion. What do you think? For me, no place where bad not dey. But this act when those children do is very, very bad. It's very. I can't. In fact, the thing to even watch the video several times. You know, good. In fact, they draw heart. As far you are a mother, they draw heart. I'll see you in my next video. I appreciate all my returning. God bless you guys all. Thank you all.
Get up. Move. Get him back. Get him back. Get him back. Get my phone. That's it, Margaret. That's it. Kick the head. Punch the face off her. Punch her face and kick. Get her head better off the floor. Get her head off the floor. That's it. Get her, Margaret. That's it. Pull it back, Kelly. That's it. That's it. Kick her in the face.
Dodie.
Step on her face.
Oh my God. She's year 6 now, Whitney.
Step on her face, Whitney. Kick her in the face. Get her, Margaret. Kick her in the face. That's it. Kick her in the face. Whitney. Kick her in the face. You spastic. Look at Whitney. Get up in her fucking. Get up in her.
More important stuff happening.
Get up in her. Go. Get up in her. Right. Kick that thing. Go, Catherine. Kick her in the face. Keep doing it. Quick. Keep doing it. Get up in her. Get up in her, Whitney. I'm with you. I'm going to murder you. Come on, Whitney. Get Harry. What, Harry? Get her, Harry. Get her, Honey! That's it! Honey! Honey, get on her! Get on her! Get on her! Get on her, Honey! Honey, give her the face! That's it! That's it! Take that, Honey! That's it, Honey!
Young guys, last, now everybody go to breakfast.